Hello friends, Idaho Garden Girl here, and today is the 22nd of May 2023, and I thought I would get my tomatoes planted out a few days ago, but when I was out there pulling weeds out of my beds, I saw that one of my 3-foot by 12-foot garden beds, raised beds, the wood was rotting. So the other side is fine. Well, not really. That's pretty rotten right there. And this is rotten. Now, I got these made in 2017. I just bought dimensional lumber from, it was either Lowe's or Home Depot. It's just fir, and it was 2-inch by 12-inch by 12-foot lumber. And so it's rotting already. I thought that it would last, well, the guy at the lumberyard said, oh, it'll probably last 10 years. Well, guess what? It's lasted 6 years. So I was thinking maybe I would go buy another board, and then I saw, they're like more than $30 or so on the website, Home Depot or Lowe's website, and then I would have to go buy some more screws, of course, because I don't have any of those anymore. So I began to think of other solutions, and this is what I decided to do. So the first thing I did was to dig it out. And when I dug it out, the board fell. That's okay. So that's my solution. It's not the best solution in the world, but at least I don't have to go buy another board, and maybe it'll get me through the year. Thank you for watching. This is Idaho Garden Girl. I garden in Southwest Idaho, USDA zone 6B, 7A. I'm signing out. Thanks everybody. Bye for now.